Here we go. Don't fail me now, Brad Mondo. Oh God, I needed better scissors. It's time for a mommy makeover. I might actually regret this. We are going to cut my own curtain bangs. I meant to make an appointment, you know, mommy life. So I turned to YouTube and found some hair gurus, and we're gonna be following a tutorial from Brad Mondo. Now, not only are we gonna cut our bangs, I actually have been wanting to learn how to blow out my hair. I have been on the most wild hair journey. If you guys remember, I used to have my hair purple for the longest time, and it got so damaged and dried out, I ended up just shaving half of it off. But we've come a long way. Literally, look how long my hair is now. I need to wet my hair, so it's a wash day. Today we're gonna shower. All right, enough chat, I'm stalling. Let's go ahead and get my hair wet. I love washing my hair. I'm just gonna give a quick little comb through. I think I actually need to learn how to give myself an actual haircut. Look how freaking long my hair is. Oh my God. Okay, let's refresh our memory. We gotta start with that part in the middle, and then it looks like he has a bigger section of hair. I think I'm gonna go with more bangs. First things first is the part. So my part is really weird. I have like a little cowlick right here, I guess. So my part isn't really in the center. Normally I just part it a little more to the left. Okay, so here are the bangs that I already have. They actually go pretty high. Okay, and then I have so many baby hairs right here. It's gonna make it challenging. Like, look at my baby hair. My hair is already gonna be dry by the time I figure this out, my hair is gonna be dry. Okay, so I grabbed a little bit more, as you can tell, than I originally had, but I think that looks pretty good. We're getting somewhere.
You're gonna comb that section to the opposite side. After that, put in an elastic and pull the elastic down to about the corner of your mouth. Next, cut the hair. Beautiful. And we'll do the same thing.
All right, here goes nothing. Okay, I'm gonna pin this one back since I'm gonna go across the face. All right, we got brushed across the face. Putting in the tie. And then we're just gonna move the tie down. Okay, wait, I gotta retie it. Okay, let's try this again. Pulling it down. I think that's it. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Don't fail me now, Brad Mondo. Oh God, I needed better scissors. Oh, these scissors suck. Okay. Hopefully that looks nice. Oh, when you brush it out, it kind of works. This. Let's go right here. Here we go. And a little crooked. It's a little crooked. Wow, look how much shorter it got when I stopped pulling it. I mean, it looks good to me. I think we should style it and blow it out. So blowouts are something that I don't really have much experience with. I do try, but I've never watched a tutorial on how to do it. So I don't have the same products that he has, but I do have some. He started off with the heat protectant. I have this thermal shield by Bumble and Bumble, so I'm just gonna start off with this one. I already know that this is gonna be a challenge because my hair is already so long, so it's a lot to blow dry. Okay, give it a nice little comb through. Okay. It is a leave-in treatment, which I do not have, but I do have a blowout styling mix, and it's supposed to leave your hair silky. I'll be using the JVN Styling Blowout Milk. We're gonna bring it up too. All right, I'm gonna just brush this through. Okay, the next thing you put is a leave-in conditioner, which I do not have. But since I want a little more volume in the bangs, I'm gonna try this JVN. This is a volumizing foam. So I'm gonna focus this more into the roots. Ooh, sudsy.
Section your blowouts, okay?
All
you
right.
don't have to do small sections.
Time to section my hair. Okay, this is something that I absolutely do not do. But if Brad says to section, we are sectioning right above the ear.
Yeah, I like it. All right, we're gonna go side to side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'll be back to show you the next section.
Okay, so he's starting on this side.
I almost forgot to play the most important tip of all. Let's get into how to hold this. Tension is your friend in a blow dry. It's all about the tension, okay? So you should learn this. The brush goes on top. I'm literally gripping it, okay? The finger goes on the bottom. You are now pulling on the hair as hard as you can, and you are getting those roots nice and dry.
I've been doing this wrong my whole life. Then I got my ceramic brush here and I cleaned it. Thanks for calling me out. So for blow dryers, I'm using the Dry Bar blow dryer. I know nothing about blow dryers, okay? And it did come with wooden tip, which I think I've used like once. This is not the easiest to put on. I think I definitely broke a nail doing this. Why do they gotta make it so hard? So we're starting at the root and I put it over like this. It's always the positioning that gets me. So he said to put it on top, keep the tension. Oh, okay. Let's try it. Okay, I did one section. Sometimes I swear I feel like hairdressers have more than two hands. I'm like, how do you do this?
Use a ceramic brush. The longer you let it sit on the hair, the more curlier the hair would be. So I'm just letting it sit for a second. You can also do a cool shot, super easy with the blow dryer.
I've always been so scared of these brushes because I have memories of being a child where I tried using this brush and my hair just got so knotted in it. Oh God. Okay, on to the next section. Okay, I watched another Brad Mondo tutorial for the bangs and he said to curl it out this way first and then under. Oh my gosh, they look so short. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait, I actually really like my bangs. So cute. Oh my gosh, but stop. These are actually so pretty. Wow. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty obsessed with these bangs. Just look at them. They came out so good. Put them like this, you can tell that they are just curtain. Let me know what you guys think. I hope Brad approves. I think they came out pretty decent for my first time. I probably should have given myself a little bit more layers here to make that transition a little nicer from bangs to like long hair. I don't know, maybe it's something I'll do next time I wash my hair. Well, let me know what you guys think. Do you approve? Do you think Brad would approve on the bangs? Yeah, make sure to check out this video right here and thank you all so much for watching. I am gonna be cutting my bangs from now on. I like it. All right, have a great day everyone. See you later, bye-bye.